So this is how you can get your money back on Vinted. The first thing to do is opening up the Vinted browser. Now, you're going to want to go over your profile over here, simply tap on it, and then press on profile. Now, we're going to want to scroll down to the very bottom until we can see these three sections: Vinted, Discover, and Help. You're going to want to go to the Help section and then simply tap on Help Center. Once it loads, you'll see a lot of options to choose. We're going to want to go to Buying, and now that we're here, you can go ahead and scroll down to Refund and Cancellations. So, now simply tap on Receiving a Refund, and here we are in the Refund section. You're going to want to scroll down, and then, as you can see, there's this question that says, "Was this helpful?" Well, you're going to want to say no, and then you can go ahead and submit a feedback. So, once you submit your feedback, you can actually go ahead and reach out to Vinted and then let them know that you want to make a refund and whatever it is you want to make sure that you get your money back from this app or website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.